Alright, what's up? It's Caribbean. I'm gonna go ahead and get into this new joint real quick. It ain't mix and master yet. Y'all check this. Hey,
MVP radio show.
I got some things on my heart I need to express. See, all you gotta do is try a little tenderness. I can't even speak my mind without you getting upset. See, all you gotta do is try a little tenderness. You be yelling, you be snapping, you be all up in my neck. See, all you gotta do is try a little tenderness. Yeah, I know that I be wildin' too, I ain't perfect, but all you gotta do is try a little tenderness, cause that just makes it easier, a little bit easier. I'm mad, you mad, you mad, I'm mad, this shit gets greasier. It's so easy, it's so simple, like how I freestyle over instrumentals with no pad and pencil. It's so easy, so let this song be influential, cause it's essential. Yeah, represent right now. This exclusive beat from MVP. You know we had to represent for Otis Redding. Big up to everybody in the Mac Town holding it down, making GA. We basically tried to take an old legend song, something that was a hit, and let them know right now, y'all, I mean, there's still some hot talent out here and make it now. So y'all gotta get with the new school. But for everybody that don't know about the old school, we just incorporated this into it, you know what I mean? Because like I said, we musicians over here at MVP. This is what we do. We love music. We hip-hop, but we listen to everything. We get our influences from old school music like this, a lot of old reggae, a lot of Caribbean music, a lot of Latino music. So yeah, I mean, we got a lot more to show y'all though. Y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all check out Footwright to see the man on everything. And he's gonna help us take it to the next level. So we're gonna have some. It's your girl Caribbean, MVP, Angels Iron. See y'all remember that. Coming. Stay tuned.
Yo, hood, right
MVP
here.
Online radio too. Check it.
My good Caribbean.
Think you got talent, man? This is your chance.
A Showcase for Unsigned Talent is looking for aspiring artists of all kinds. This is your opportunity to show the people who matter that you've got what it takes. Visit ashowcaseforunsignedtalent.com and submit a short sample of the talent you believe the world should see. Agents, artists, studios, and industry insiders are looking for fresh, unsigned talent. This is your chance.
This is your chance.
Visit ashowcaseforunsignedtalent.com now.